One of the benefits of creating with circuits is being able to quickly realise ideas. To help speed up your workflow, you can create a template project that matches the content of your pack. For example, I have the blank forms pack here, which I know has some great sounds for working in music in a down-tempo style. I'll swap some of the samples in this pack with some drum loops around 80 to 110 BPM. These loops are around 2 to 4 bars long. I'll now send this pack to my circuit tracks. When I first go to create a project, the default tempo of 120 BPM will be too high for the style of music I'll be creating. I'll set the tempo to 108 BPM to match my sample. Additionally, anytime I use these drum loops, I'll need to have set the pattern length to 32 steps to get a full 2-bar loop. I think the drum loop sounds great with some distortion applied, so I'll add that too. But bring it down in the mixer a little to offset the level increase. You can see how setting this every time I create a new project would quickly become frustrating. So I'll save this project in red using the first encoder and then move back to components. While I could have done this from my circuit, managing content is faster here. I've opened my pack from my circuit and I can see the template project I set up in red. I'll select it and rename it to 108 BPM template to help me keep track of it. While holding Alt on my keyboard, I'll drag it to some of the other slots to create copies. I can also click and drag multiple to make lots of copies. I'll now send this back to my circuit tracks. In the project screen, I can see my projects marked out as red. I want to start a new project with this sound, so I'll load one of these templates. Now that I have this project, I have two options. I could either save it to the same slot in a different colour, which will mean I'll eventually use up my templates, or I can save it to a different project slot. Taking this idea further, you can explore options like having a row of templates for a specific tempo or style through the use of designated colours, or have templates set to longer pattern lengths or different rates. Spending a little time setting these up can help speed up the workflow with your circuit.